Hello, this is Fuad. I'm a computer and communications engineer, and I'm an AI instructor at Zaka. Today, I will be telling you more about the technical aspect of our machine learning certification program, so you will get to see how our program is supposed to enhance your technical skills. In the previous video, you have seen what are the different topics that you would get introduced to during your first 12 learning weeks. But what you still don't know is that these 12 weeks, they won't just gonna be about the theory. In fact, the program has been carefully designed in order to make great machine learning engineers out of you. And in order for you to become a successful machine learning engineer, it is true that you have to know how machine learning algorithms really function, but you should also know how you can build machine learning models and how you can apply machine learning into different fields so that you can build great solutions. For this reason, what you would be learning is not just going to be about lectures. You would also have access to what we call the Handson Labs. These Handson Labs are just going to be a way to apply what you have been learning during the lectures. And during these labs, you would get introduced to different tools and libraries that would make your life easier whenever you are trying to build machine learning solutions. Some of these tools might include things like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, Keras, TensorFlow, NLTK, GenSim, Flask, Docker, AWS SageMaker, Label Studio, and many others. Now, in order to help you more throughout your learning path, you would get the chance to communicate with us during what we call the office hours. The office hours are just going to be a place where we would be clarifying the things that you have been learning about during the week. And so this is going to be your place in case you have any questions about the learning material that you are studying. You don't have questions? Don't worry. I'm sure that you would get inspired while seeing the others asking their questions. And just so you know, these office hours are not just going to be a great place to exchange information. They are going to be a great place to socialize, and you would get to know other attendees a lot better. But that's not everything. In order to improve your technical skills even more, by the end of each week, you would be working on what we call the weekly challenge. The weekly challenge is just going to be like a mini project where you would get to put everything that you have learned into practice, and you would get to build a particular solution, because we believe that someone would only learn by doing. And these weekly challenges, they are going to be your way of testing yourself and seeing how much knowledge you have gained throughout the week. Now, let's say that you worked on your challenge and you submitted it. Then what? How do you know if what you submitted was right or what you submitted was wrong? Don't worry, we got you covered. Each week, you would be receiving a detailed feedback and assessment based on the solution that you provided. As scary as these two terms might seem to you, trust me, these are going to be the parts that you would be enjoying the most. And just so you know, these are not only going to be about the things that you have done wrong, they might also be in order to appreciate the things that you have done right. So try to impress us. The goal is just to make a great machine learning engineer out of you. And this continuous feedback loop would help you improve throughout the week, and you would get the chance to see this by yourself, hopefully. So as you have seen, we have designed everything in a way that makes you come out of the program not only with the greatest skill set, but with a great experience as well. So if becoming a machine learning engineer sounds like a plan to you, start your application process today, and don't forget to keep an eye out as we would be sharing more details about our program in future videos. So stay tuned.